Liam Payne is gone, guys. The news just happened today. It's very sad. Sorry for my hair, guys. And it's the Wednesday, 16 October 2024. Mercredi 16 octobre 2024, Liam Payne from One Direction has gone. It's so sad, guys. You can see here on X, Twitter, in France, he's the top one tendance. Liam Payne is dead. That is so sad for his family. That is so sad. So sad for his family. So sad for his son. Of course, strength to his family, strength to his son. We're gonna see some articles, guys. Um, let's see. Well, there's an article here from TMZ. Let's read this. TMZ article. Liam Payne, One Direction star death at 31 years old, fell from hotel balcony. All right. 3 p.m. and 33 minutes. Source close to the situation tell TMZ Liam Payne and his girlfriend, Kate Cassidy. Kate Cassidy arrived in Argentina on September 30, posting several social media posts together showing them having fun on vacation. We're told she left Argentina on the 13, 40. She left without him. Liam stayed behind and checked into the Casa Sur Palermo Hotel. We're told someone at the hotel called 911 to report an aggressive male at the hotel today, which line up with what witness told us about Liam's behavior in the lobby. Liam is dead after a fall from his balcony in Argentina, TMZ has learned. The former One Direction singer died Wednesday evening. Several witnesses at the hotel where he was staying in Buenos Aires tell us Liam fell from his room on the freight floor of the Casa Sur Palermo Hotel. We do not know if it was intentional or accidental. Yes, that's a question. It is a so. I can tell this on YouTube or murder. That's the Casa Sur Palermo Hotel. The fried, it's here. The fried floor is here, so it fall from this to this. TMZ has seen a photo showing Liam's body on the deck at the hotel with table and chair nearby, and you can clearly see his tattoo, a clock on his left forehead and a scorpion on his abdomen. Witnesses say this happened shortly after 5 p.m. in Buenos Aires, and that Liam has been acting erotic at the hotel lobby earlier. He smashed up his laptop and had to be carried back to his room. So this is where Liam is dead. Okay. Police and other responsible are all around the hotel now, and authorities have put up a red tent over the body as they begin with their investigation into Liam's death. He had been in Argentina recently for Niall Horan concert early in the month, and the 1D bandmate actually ruined it at the show. Liam was only 16 years old when he joined One Direction, and the group became the biggest boys band in the world after their 2010 launch on the X Factor. The band ultimately broke in 2015. He was considered one of the main songwriters. So Liam was dead here. Okay. As we report, Liam revealed in June 2021 that he struggled with alcohol and prescription drug addiction at the that this is the industry always, alcohol and drug in this devil industry that the music. And thing got so bad he had several suicidal thoughts. Bro, got oh damn it. Earlier this morning, there were reports about Liam's ex-fiancée, Maya Henry, alleged he left her after asking her to get an abortion. Her attorney had then trying to send him a cases. This is later to stop contacting her. Bro, but we don't care about that. What the fuck? Just care about his death, not his other things. All right, guys. So this is the info we got from today. Today, the day where Liam death, 16 October 2024. I'm gonna go on Twitter, see if there's some news. We can't see this. Some news on Twitter, guys. Liam Payne has died at the age of 21 after reportedly falling from a balcony in Argentina. He was extremely shocked and heartbroken to hear this news, sending our love and prayer to our family. That someone jumped not gone from a burning building. Stop spreading fake news. What? Someone post a video on X of someone jumping from a fire window and call this, bro, people are so evil, guys. That's not even Liam Payne. We can see Liam Payne with his girlfriend. So the problem is that Liam Payne has some suicidal thing and very on the alcohol and on drugs. That is so sad, man. You can see here a post with his girlfriend. Yeah. That's so sad for him, of course, and for his son. He's gonna grow up without a dad, guys. And he was very young, 31 years old. We got the last snapshots post of Liam. Look at that. That's the last snapshot post of Liam in Argentina when he died. Well, that's a cool place. Damn it. That's her girlfriend. That's his girlfriend. I can't show you everything else because something can be, too graphic for YouTube. And this is one of the last snapshot story of Liam. That is so sad, guys. So sad. I search if there's something. Is there anything other news? I searching for other news. I saw something there. What is that? Nothing. Just people on Twitter, just people being sad about the news, guys. There's something here, guys. Alicia Cara similarly called out TMZ for publishing image of Liam Payne body in article reporting his passing. So TMZ posted the death body of Liam. That's insane, guys. Everything for the news, everything for the buzz. Rest in peace, Liam Payne. So for now, that's all we got from. That's all we got, and I love this image, guys. Look, Liam Payne, 1993, and 2024 Liam Payne. So thank you for watching the live. Rest in peace, Liam. And about me, guys, I'm not a super fan of One Direction, but back then in 2020, in 2020, I loved those songs, but not a fan. But I would listen to their song. It was cool. You're insecure, na 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 na. So strength to his song, and may he rest in peace, guys.